Hi, if you're watching this video, you got a Vanishing Ghost Take-A-Make Kit. And when you open the box, this is what you find inside. We have a marker and some biodegradable packing peanuts. Biodegradable means they dissolve in water and they're not going to fill up landfills. So that's a good thing for the environment. And it also means we can do a fun craft with them. So the first thing you're going to do is use the marker to make a ghost. So draw a ghost face on there. And if you want, you can draw a couple at once and you can play with them for a little bit before we make them vanish. So then, get a bowl full of room temperature water and in he goes. Ooh. Now I'm also going to get a bowl of hot water and compare how long it takes them to vanish in the different temperatures. So I'm going to make another ghost and he will fly into this water. Ooh. Check back and see how long it takes these guys to vanish. That's what my ghosts look like after 1 minute. You guys can set a timer and see how long it takes for your ghosts to completely vanish. Have a happy Halloween and happy experimenting. Bye guys.